Let's talk about the economic fallout now. Oil prices soared and investors shifted more money out of stocks as Russia stepped up its war on Ukraine. The price of oil surged to $100 per barrel.
In fact, the oil prices have touched a record 8-year high now. This even as Russia, which is a major energy producer, has faced isolation and economic damage because of its invasion of Ukraine.
Let me go across to Somit Sarkar, who is joining us live from Mumbai newsroom. Somit, the increase in the crude oil prices is an economic fallout that everybody expected since the time Russia invaded Ukraine. But the big concerning part is that sooner or later, the common man will have to bear the brunt of it.
Well, yes, the common man will have to bear the brunt of it, because at this moment, if you see, the retail fuel prices, that is petrol and diesel, have not been increasing, and that's the reason the impact on the common man is still not seen yet. But as soon as March 7, that is the last day of election in UP gets over, experts are expecting that the retail fuel prices will increase, and that is when the impact will come on the common man. Now, what experts are expecting is around a 10 to 15 rupees shot up in the retail fuel prices, that is petrol and diesel. Now, this can be in phases or in one shot, so we'll have to see how that pans out. But yes, crude at $110 per barrel is expected to have a big impact on common man, and not only on the common man but also on the economy, because India exports nearly 85% of its crude requirement, and every $1 increase in crude prices increases or inflates the import bill by nearly $1.9 billion. So that is one concerning factor. Along with this, many industries get impacted because crude is one of the major raw material, and the cost of production it goes up, like for lubricant manufacturers, paint, cement companies. Along with this, airline companies will also face the brunt of it, because recently, if you see, IOC has increased the jet fuel prices by around 3%, and this could be further increased going forward. And fuel expense is one of the major expense for an airline company.
Absolutely, Soumit. Thank you so much for all those details. Very concerning state of affairs there. Remember, the oil prices have really touched a record 8-year high now.